You can send your teachers a message from right within Canvas using what's called the inbox. And the inbox basically connects your email and their email address so that they're able to get the message right away and then respond. Okay, so let's see, how do we send a message through inbox? I'm logged in here as Stuart student. And what we want to do is we want to use the inbox in the global navigation. So over here on the left, you see that it says inbox right here. Okay, so we're going to click. And that's going to open up a email type program right within Canvas. Notice that it's in the global navigation. It's not inside a single course. Okay. Now, this opens to the inbox, and you can explore this a little bit. But if you were to click here on inbox, you can filter your messages to ones that you have not read or ones that you sent already. Okay, so there's some ones that we've sent, as well as, like I said, the main inbox. Now to send a message, we're going to look right here in the center of the screen where it shows a little compose new message icon. So let's click there. This opens up a message box. And so first we're going to choose a course. And so who is the teacher that we're going to email? Well, we're going to email about 4th grade science in this one. And then we need to see who are we actually trying to message. And so right here on the right, you see a little address book. Click there. And then you can choose who you're emailing. It could be, or who you're inboxing. Could be another student, possibly your parent, or it could be the teacher. So we're going to click teachers. And Ms. Teacher is right there. And we're going to say, help with science fair. Okay, and Ms. Teacher, I really don't understand the science fair instructions. Could we set up a Zoom session? Stuart. Okay, once you have your message, you're going to click send. Notice before you do that, though, that you can actually attach a file if you need to. You can even record a comment. Okay, and so hi there, and you would just hit recording. And so if you wanted to send a video message to your teacher, you could do that as well. And so we're going to hit send. Okay, and notice that Miss Teacher has responded to us, and so right here she has responded and sent us a message back. So there we go. We can use inbox to send messages, receive them. We can use video, and we can upload files. And this is just a quick way to never leave Canvas and yet still be able to communicate with our teachers. Cheers.